Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hello, I'm Alice and today I'm going to be filming my makeup storage and collection. I thought I'd show you guys. My collection is not massive and I'm not bragging at all. I just thought I'd film a video about my storage and my collection, about the things that I've got and how I store it all. Most of it is from IKEA, but I thought I'd film it for you guys. If you haven't already, then please subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see my makeup collection and storage, then please carry on watching. So in my dressing table, I don't really store any makeup. The only thing that I've got is in this drawer. I've literally just got some like UV paint and then some liquid latex for like Halloween sorts of things. And in this drawer I literally have some hairbands and then just a few nail varnishes. I don't really use this dressing table, but those are the two things in those two drawers. Okay, so this is the top of my drawers. I've just got this little lamp from Dunelm. I've got a pot of brushes here. These are the brushes that I don't really use that much. I do go in and out of them, but I don't really use these as much as my other ones. And then here I've just got some perfumes and sprays, and then at the front here I've got another pot, which both of these pots are from IKEA. And these are the brushes that I use on a day-to-day basis. So this is the top drawer and I literally just put in some jewellery. I don't really wear jewellery, but I just put in jewellery here and then just some eyelash curlers, some nail clippers, and then this lip balm that doesn't actually fit into any of the other drawers. I also sometimes keep my control for my TV in here, just because it's hidden away and then it's somewhere for it to go. So this is the second drawer. Again, this storage and any of the storage that I've got is from IKEA. So in this little section I've just got eyebrow products. I've just got some pencils here that I don't really use anymore. Some eyebrow gels and some more eyebrow gels just back here. In this section here I have quite a few eyeliners. I have quite a few different ones. I have this one from NYX, which is a bright purple one. And then I've just got the usual like liquid liners from Maybelline. I have quite a few from Maybelline in here. And I have a range of pencils and liquids in here. In this section I have any lip liners and lip glosses. I don't really use lip liners or lip glosses, so there's only a few in here. And then I've got just some lip balms in here as well. In this small section I've just got some tweezers, some eyelash glue and some mini MAC mascaras. And then finally in this other small section I just have eye primers in here. I've got the Smashbox Photo Finish Shadow Primer here, and also this Urban Decay Primer Potion. So this drawer is the first drawer of the large ones. All of this storage, as I said, is from IKEA. However, this lipstick stand is from Muji online, and I'll link the website in the description below. So in this first little pot here, I have all of my single eyeshadows and my glitters. So I've got this MAC glitter pot here. I also have quite a few little MAC single eyeshadows, just because I bought loads when I first started getting into makeup. And then I also have this little L'Oreal Duo eyeshadow thing, but this is very old, as you can tell. The writing's coming off of it. So in this section here I've got eyebrow pomades. I've got my e.l.f. one, which I use every day. I've got this one from B Cosmetics, and then I also have some little eyeshadow bases as well, which don't really fit into this section. So I've got Soft Ochre by MAC, and then also this colour correcting concealer by NYX. In this final little section I've just got some lipsticks that don't really fit into this section. I've got some Ted Baker ones. That one there is a Ted Baker one as well. And then just some other little bits that I've got, and I've also got this Louboutin lipstick, which is so gorgeous. I actually got it on my lips in my intro and my outro today. This section isn't the most organised, but I've just got all of my beauty blenders here. So I've just got some powders at the back here that don't really fit with my other powders. I've got this alicerosemae translucent powder, which is actually amazing. It's just, I don't like the packaging. And then here I've got my 3 highlighters. I thought I'd have more highlighters than I do, but I actually only have 3. I've got this MAC one, my Naked illuminated one, and then here I've just got all of my blushes. Again, I don't really wear blusher, so I don't have that many. But I have a MAC cream one, which is quite sweet. And then another MAC Shimmer Mineralized Skin Finish one. And then finally in this drawer I've got all of my lipsticks and matte lipsticks. These are all my MAC ones. I have quite a few MAC lipsticks, as you can tell. I've just got 3 Estee Lauder ones here, and then some Rimmel London ones. And then over here I have my matte lipsticks. There's a few NYX ones here. And then here I've got my sleek ones, which I have a video of me testing on my channel, and I'll link that in the description box below. So this drawer is probably my favourite drawer out of my collection and storage. So this is all of like my base like makeup. This little section here is all of my concealers. I've got quite a few concealers, as you can tell. I've got like this Revolution one. I've got a few of the collection one, as you can tell. My NARS creamy concealer. And then underneath I've literally got my Rimmel one, and there's a few ELF ones down below. So this little section here is the rest of my powders. As you can tell, not all of them fit in this section. That's why I've got some in the drawer above. Again, I've literally just got some more Rimmel ones, and then I've got a MAC one. This bit here is for all of my foundations. I've got quite a few foundations. I'm still yet to find my Holy Grail foundation, so if you've got any suggestions, please comment down below and I'll test them out, because I can't find my Holy Grail one. So I've got the Giorgio Armani one, Fenty, B Cosmetics, NARS, ELF. This one is the L'Oreal Infallible one, and then I also have that in the stick version here. This section here, it consists of mostly all of my bronzers. I've just got some here. This one's actually broken and smashed, but it's a collection one. I've got the Benefit Hoola one, which is honestly amazing. It's very dirty. I've had it for quite a while now. And then here I've got 2 of my sleek contour palettes. This has a highlighter in it as well, and honestly I've got 2 and they're nearly both ran out because they're so good. And then finally in this section here I have all of my primers and my makeup setting sprays. So I've got my Smashbox one, which I use mostly in all of my videos. The Benefit one, another Benefit one there, the Professional one, which is amazing. And then I've got a MAC primer, and then MAC Fix Plus below it. And then just my B Cosmetics setting spray, which I also think is amazing. Finally in this drawer is all of my palettes, mostly eyeshadow palettes, but I do have a few contour palettes here. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills one, and this is my Kat Von D one, which I use every single day that I wear makeup. In the back here I just have little eyeshadow palettes I don't really reach for. These are some Wet n Wild ones, and then some old Revolution ones, but I don't really reach for those anymore. And then in here I've got all of my mascaras. I didn't really know where to put them because there wasn't space in the little sections above. So I have them in this pot here. And then to the eyeshadow palettes, I've got this Urban Decay one, which is the Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. Modern Renaissance, I've got a Too Faced one here, which is so cute. And then, as I said, I've got my contour palettes here. And then my Naked Heat one, a Revolution one again, my Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe palette in 35O, that is. This palette, which I'm yet to try. And then this palette is a really colourful one, which I use when I'm, say, Halloween or fancy dress, or if I want to pop of colour for a day. So this drawer is probably one that I'm most proud of. It's taken me quite a long time to get all of these palettes, but I love them all. And then finally, the last drawer. This isn't really makeup related, but I just have my hairbrush in here, my hairdryer, straighteners, and then makeup wipes and makeup remover and fake tan and deodorant and things in here. And then in this little pot, which is also from IKEA, I've literally got all of my skincare in here, like my moisturisers down there. That's a Garnier one, and then this Nivea one. I've got a few face masks from Lush, which this one, honestly, if you have me on Snapchat, I put pictures of me wearing this on my story all the time. And then lots of simple products here, and then this Mario Badescu spray also. So all of my makeup just stays in here, and then this is my dressing table. So guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if I've given you any ideas for your makeup storage yourselves, then fab, let me know. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. There should be a subscribe button somewhere below, the little red button. Please hit that button, and please share this video with all your friends and family. I'd really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Bye!